Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We have new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts. We have new deals, new coupons, and new glitches to look forward to. And I'm also going to be announcing the winners of the P&G insert giveaway. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into these new Dollar General digital coupons. Now, of course, you want to make sure you clip your 5 off 25. We have a 50 cents off one for the Dawn 20.6 ounce dish detergent. Now, this is working on the 24 ounce. It's priced at $3.50. So after that coupon, that'll leave you paying $3. We do have a higher value one-off one that's working on the 40 ounce. So I'm going to hold off on clipping that one for now. Next up, we received a new one-off one for the Charmin Essentials. Those are $4.95. So after the coupon, that'll make those $3.95. Now, next up, we have Centrum. We have 3 new Centrum vitamin coupons. So here we have $4.50 off one Centrum product, 50 count or larger. This is working on the gummies that are priced at $7. So after that coupon, that will leave you paying just $2.50. So that's a really great deal. You definitely want to clip that one. Next up, we have a glitch. So the Dollar General $3 off one Big Soleil coupon is working on these Simply Soleils. Those are priced at $3.30. So after this coupon is applied, that will leave you paying just 30 cents. Now, these are also working on the Soleil Bella razors. They are priced at $5. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $2. And there are several of the big razors that are priced at $6. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $3. So definitely go ahead and clip that one. Here we have another Centrum vitamins. So this 125 off one, this is working on several of the Centrum vitamins that are priced at $5. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $3.75. I'm going to hold off on clipping this one for now, though, but you can definitely go ahead and clip it if you want to. Next up, we have some Garnier coupons. So 3 off 2 for the Garnier Whole Blends. If you pick up 2 of the shampoos and conditioners, those are priced at $7. So after the coupon, that will leave you paying $4 for 2, making those just $2 each. So that's a really good one. Then we have 3 off 2 for the Garnier Fructis. So if you pick up the shampoos and conditioners, if you pick up 2 of them, it's going to put you at $6. So that's basically like a buy one, get one coupon. So you'll pay $3 for 2 or $1.50 each. Moving on down, we got a new Airwick coupon. Here's the other Centrum vitamin coupon. So it's 3 off 1 Centrum product. This is also working on the gummies. So like I said, those are priced at $7. So after this coupon, that will leave you paying $4. I'm going to hold off on clipping that one until I use this higher value $4.50 off one. But if you plan on picking up multiple ones of those, definitely go ahead and clip them to your account. We have Arm & Hammer 1 off 1. There are several products. This is working on the detergent, the scent booster beads, and the sheets. Those are all priced at $3. So after the coupon, they'll be paying $2. We have some new Colgate coupons. We'll go over a lot of these deals in a later video. We have Poise 5 off 2. This coupon is working on the ones that are priced at $5, so it's a buy one, get one coupon, basically. You'll pick up 2 for $10. After the coupon, you'll pay $5 for 2 or $2.50 each. On this cortisone, I probably shouldn't have clipped that, but I know we do have a higher value coupon. It's $1.25 off of one. I don't think this one-off one is attaching to anything right now, though. So if you still have that 125 off one and you need this product, I would pass on clipping this one off one. Alright, moving on down. We got 1 off 4 of the Body Armor drinks. So if you pick up 4 of those, that's going to put you at $5. So after the coupon, you'll pay $4 for 4 or $1 each. We've got some more Copper Tone. Kit and Caboodle, $1.25 off one 11-pound bag of the dry cat food. Those are priced at $8.25, so after the coupon, that will leave you paying $7. We have a new Pedigree coupon. There's some Sparkle paper towels. Depend. L'Oreal, 3 off 1 for the L'Oreal hair color products. So that's a pretty high value coupon. These are priced at $9.25, so after the coupon, that will leave you paying $6.25. Here's another really good high value coupon. $5 off one of the Peak Blue Mountain antifreeze or coolant, the 1 gallon jugs. So there's one that's priced at $9.95. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $4.95. There's another different kind that is priced at $14. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $9. So moving on down, we have a new gain coupon. Now, I guess they're going to start giving us one of these a month. That's kind of been the trend the past couple of months. So we do have another 5 off 30 gain, and that does not expire until the end of June. So I really hope they are not doing away with like the 5 off 20s, but we haven't had one of those in a while. So moving on down, we have some Heartland Farms. Buy one, get one free on the I guess it's like the Rexall brand of the petroleum jelly. So those are priced at $2.50. So with this coupon, buy one, get one free, you'll pay $2.50 for 2, making those $1.25 each. And I always tell you guys to go ahead and clip all your DG store coupons because usually we don't have doubles of those or higher value coupons or lower value coupons that will interfere with those. Now this one, 50 cents off any DG Home automatic spray twin refills. This is on the twin pack. This is, I guess it's a glitch. It's glitching. It is actually working on the 3-count oil refills. So those are priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, that will leave you paying just $4. So it's not even working on the correct product at all as far as I can tell. Alright, we've got 50 cents off of the True Living Bath Tissue. Those are $3, so after the coupon, that will leave you paying $2.50, and that is on the 4 mega rolls. Moving on down, we have 1 off 1 for the DG Health Ibuprofen. So those are priced at $2.50, so after the coupon, that'll make those $1.50, and that is on the 100 count. We have 50 cents off one for the Tide Simply, the liquid or the pod. So those are priced at $2.95. So after the coupon, that will leave you paying $2.45. I'm going to pass on clipping that one for now. So next up, we have a glitch on the Pantene. We have a 4 off 3. Now I want to stop for just a second, give a big shout out and thank you to Miss Deborah Williams. She left a comment on my last video and let me know that she had ran out to the store, ran out to Dollar General this morning and done some deals, and she found this glitch on the Pantene travel size shampoos. So if you pick up 3 of these, that's going to put you at $4.50. So after that coupon, that'll leave you paying just 50 cents for all 3 of those travel size shampoos or conditioners. Now, I'm going to leave a link in a pinned comment down below. I want you guys to all go over there and hit that subscribe button for Miss Deborah Williams. She is awesome. She is always finding deals and she's always sharing. She's actually the one that got me hooked up with Suburban Beard, and we worked together there for a little bit, so she is awesome. She is always on top of everything. So go over there, check out her channel. She's always posting little deals for 5 off 25s or just deals that you can do throughout the week. So go and hit that subscribe button, guys. And thank you again, Miss Deborah. All right, so we're going to clip that one. We're going to move on. We have a 3 off 1 for the Gillette Blade Refill 4 count. So those are priced at $9.95. After the coupon, that'll make those $6.95. Now, I'm not sure if we still have that buy one, get one free coupon on the Gillette. It was a DG store coupon glitch that we had a while back. I already used all of mine. I think I used my last one last weekend or the weekend before. But if that's still available, somebody let me know down in the comments because I already used all mine. All right, so moving on down, we have 1 off 2 for the Gain Dish Liquids. I told you guys about this one when we went over the P&G insert. These are priced at $2 each. So after the coupon, that will leave you paying $3 for 2, making those $1.50 each. Next up, 3 off 2 for the Head & Shoulders. This is not a glitch, but it is working on the Eucalyptus Head & Shoulders. Those are priced at $4 each. Picking up 2 will put you at $8, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $5 for 2, making those $2.50 each. Next up, we have a freebie, and Miss Deborah also included this in her video today, and it's working. Makes it completely free. The Febreze plug-in warmers are $3 at DG, so after that coupon, you won't pay a dime. Maybe taxes, but you know what I mean. And then we also have that same coupon in the P&G inserts, which come out today. All right, so we're going to move on down. On the Gillette razor, I couldn't get that one to attach from home, but I am going to scan some things, and I'll update you guys in the next video. All right, we have 25 cents off of the Pampers wipes. The 56 count are priced at $1.95. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $1.70. We have a lot of new diaper coupons. So I'm going to try to come up with a diaper deal for this weekend. Here's one you need to watch out for, the Safeguard hand soap. It's a 1 off 2. Now, if you didn't use that 3 off 2 coupon yet, if you still have that 3 off 2 coupon, do not clip this one to your account because typically DG takes off the lower value coupon first. So you want to use your higher value coupons first before you go clipping any other new coupons. If you've already used your 3 off 2 and you want to clip this one to your account, the Safeguard hand soaps are $3 a piece, so that's going to put you at $6. So after the coupon, you'll pay $5 for 2. All right, moving on down, we have some more deals on diapers. We've got Easy Ups, and like I said, I'm going to talk about a lot more deals in the next video. Here is that 1 off 1 for the Dawn. This is on the Ultra 32 to 75 ounce dish soaps. So if you pick up the 40 ounce bottles, those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $4. So I'm going to go ahead and clip that one. We have $1.50 off One Loves Diapers. This is another one you may want to look out for. On my account, I have a $2.50 off One Loves Diapers. So these start out at $7. So if you have the $2.50 coupon, that will leave you paying $4.50, which is a really good deal. It's a pretty good high value coupon for Loves. But if you have already used that coupon and you need to clip this $1.50 off 1 coupon, you can pick up the ones that are priced at $7, and that'll leave you paying $5.50. All right. So, moving on down, here's another one you need to look out for, because if you want to pick up the Charmin Essentials, which are on sale right now for $4.95, we do have that 1 off 1 coupon, so that is a higher value. So, I'm going to hold off on clipping that one as well. Next up, we have 1 off 1 for the Olay. Those are priced at $6, so that will leave you paying $5. All right, moving on down, we have Gain 2 off 1 for the 150 ounce. Here is another glitch. So we have 2 off 2 for the Herbal Essences Bio Renew Shampoo, Conditioner, or Styling Products. This is working on the Travel Size Herbal Essences Dry Shampoo. So this is a new glitch. Usually the P&G glitches do stick around for a while, but this is new. I haven't seen this one before. So you may want to go ahead and grab this if you want to try this product. So the dry shampoo travel sizes are priced at $2. If you pick up 2 of those, that's going to put you at $4. After the coupon, that'll leave you paying $2 for 2, making those just $1 each, but it is on the travel size, so do keep that in mind. Next up, we have a really high value coupon. We also have this one in the P&G insert. So this is 5 off 3 for the Secret Fresh Outlast Aluminum Free Clinical Old Spice Red Collection. There's a lot of different ones that are included in there. This is working on a lot of these secret deodorants that are priced at $5. Also on the Old Spice deodorants and body sprays. A lot of those are priced at $5 as well. So if you pick up 3 of those, that's going to put you at $15. After the coupon, that'll leave you paying $10 for 3, which is not a bad deal. Now, this is also working on one of the Old Spice deodorants. It is the Fiji scented ones. I guess this is a glitch. So those are priced at $3.75. So after the coupon, if you pick up 3 of those at $3.75, that's going to put you at $11.25. After the coupon, you'll pay $6.25 for all 3 of the Old Spice deodorant, the Fiji scented ones. All right. We have 2 off 1 for the Pampers Splashers. Those are $8, so that'll leave you paying $6. 1 off 2 for the Old Spice Body Wash or Bar Soap. I'm going to pass on that one just because we do have this 5 off 3 up here. And just in case, you know, something comes along, I don't want that 1 off 2 to mess that up. 1 off 1 for the Swiffer products. So this coupon is working on several of the ones that are priced at $4.50. We have Sweeper, the sweeping cloth refills, the mopping cloth refills, and the duster starter kits. Those are all $4.50. So after the coupon, you'll pay $3.50. Here's a couple of coupons that kind of trickled in last week. We have 1 off 3 for the American greeting cards. I haven't seen that one is glitching, but I haven't been in the store in a couple of days, so we'll have to get back with you on that one. Next up, 25 cents off of the Gonzo Disinfectant sprays. Those are $2.75, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $2.50. And there is that Safeguard 3 off 2 coupon, so do be aware. Please don't just go through on Sunday and just start clipping every coupon to your account because you're afraid they're going to disappear. They usually stick around for a couple of days. So be careful, be kind of picky. That's why I do these videos, to kind of give you guys a heads up. So you know what to clip now and what will probably be around for a little bit and which ones to watch out for, because we do have, you know, higher value coupons that we received in the past couple of weeks. So, all right, guys. That's going to be it for the new coupons for now. I will be putting out a good deals and glitch list video this week, and we're going to announce the winners of the P&G giveaway here in just a second. Alright guys, so now it's time to announce the winners of the P&G insert giveaway. But before I do that, I do want to thank each and every one of you guys for participating in the giveaway and for just all of your love and support that you have shown me and this channel. You guys share the videos, you leave comments, you give the videos the thumbs up. All of those little things really do add up and make a huge difference for this channel. So thank you all so much for watching, and thank you all for supporting my channel. Alright guys, so let's find out who the winners are. And the winners are Miss Cassie Johnson from Southern Illinois and Miss Benita Platt from North Texas. So thank you both so much for supporting this channel. Get in touch with me. All of my information is down in the description box below. You can reach out to me through Instagram. Send me a direct message. It's at Craz-E Coupons. Or you can email me. It's crazycoupons1@gmail.com. Be sure to check down in the description box to make sure that you have the correct spelling. So I will be looking forward to talking to you guys. Send me all your information and I will get these P&G inserts mailed out to you ASAP. And again, congratulations to you both. And again, thank you to everyone who participated in the giveaway. I really do appreciate all of your love and support. All right, guys, that's going to be it for me for now. Thank you all for coming by and hanging out with me for a minute today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Now, before you go, please make sure that you are subscribed. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. You guys know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, I hope you have a great day and happy Memorial Day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.